Hey you guys, the Doc is Hope here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today I am so excited to share with you all my closet reveal. I finally finished organizing / rearranging / purging my closet after 7 years. It's been a long time. If y'all remember the before, some of y'all were like, oh, it's not that bad. Wait till you see the after. And then you're going to be like, you know what? Okay. And I'm going to show you like the behind the scenes process of all the stuff. Y'all, I was over here sick about how much stuff I had pulled out of this closet. It took up my entire room. But I am going to show you now my finished, updated closet. Probably just a couple more things I want to do to it, but let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is how far I've gotten so far. I've been working at this for about 2 hours now. I've cleared out this whole left side. I took out that row right here that was like for folding. I'm gonna do all long hang stuff here. I also took out this section. I think I'm gonna remove these drawers and I'm gonna do more long hang here. I still have all of this and all of this. And oh yeah, all of this. So, yeah, it's probably going to take a little while, but this is an update for my progress. Okay, y'all, so I have stuff lined all the way down the hallway. This coat, this is like the warmest winter coat. I've had this for like 12 years. Literally since my youngest was born, and I am getting rid of it today. I think it's finally time to let it go. So yeah, it's on its way out. Okay, so y'all remember when I called the first video my closet nightmare? This is why, because I knew that this was gonna happen. I pulled out all this stuff. This is the stuff I'm keeping. This is the stuff I'm getting rid of. And then this is stuff I'm going to give to Goodwill. I got like, this is the nightmare that I was talking about. It looked organized, but to me it was organized chaos because, I mean, yeah. Okay, I'm going back in. All right, y'all. Another update. I have pulled out all the shoe boxes. Why did I keep all these boxes? I don't know. So this here is the pile of stuff that I'm getting rid of. It extends around the corner. So that's a good thing. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff that I didn't wear, didn't need. I'm gonna donate it to Goodwill. I can finally see my bed again. So that's nice. Hallway is getting better slightly, but the closet though, but the closet though. So this is where we are. This section in front of me is all my me-made stuff that was upstairs, and then I have all my long hang dresses, coats, and skirts. Made a little travel section, and then some hats, more hats, cleaned up my shoes, and then I have all my blazers and tops. I hung up all my pants, and then I have long boots and tennis shoes down below, more boots, shoes, sandals. And then I have my handbags up top. So that's what I've done so far. I think it's coming along well. I am so tired. So I'll show y'all an update later. All right, so here we are, you guys. This is my updated closet. So if you remember, this used to be like 2 rows of hanging slash low hanging stuff right here. And so I brought all my stuff down from my sewing room that I made. So this is like my me made section right here. So I don't have to be like, oh, I want to wear something I made and then be wondering where that stuff is. It's all right here. So hubby wants to keep this because he's like, yeah, one day we're gonna iron down here. I wanted to take it out, but it is still here and I'm okay with that. I think we just need a screw to like fix it a little bit. Okay, so let me continue to show you what I did. I don't know if you remember, there were drawers here. So this used to be like 3 whole things of drawers. I took these drawers out and I put in this bar here that's extended, and this is all of my like long hang stuff, like long hang dresses, coats, and then skirts. So all of that is right here now with plenty of room to hang down. I have just 2 drawers of stuff now. So I like this a lot better. I have like my gym workout stuff, swimsuits, miscellaneous stuff, sports bras, belts, socks at the top. I don't know what this is, and I think this is like my hat and scarves drawer. Got some hats up here, some sunglasses, a little bag, and pictures of me and my family, and then some travel stuff, stethoscope, blankets. And then I have my hair. Y'all remember my hair was just like all over the place, my wigs and stuff. I made a nice little area here for my hair. So I have my heels here. And then I changed this area into short hang and then pants hang. So this is all my shirts and jackets and blazers. And then this is my pants. And then I don't know how y'all store your bras, but there was this little hook. It's like a belt hook, I guess, or a tie hook. I'm not sure. But I'm just putting my bras right there because it's so easy to just get them and go, because you got to get them and go, right? So that is that section. Got some blankets up there. And then this is the part I love, my shoes. Y'all remember how my shoes were. So I have like my boots here, my little trainers. And then I have more boots here, more boots here, more boots here, and then some sandals, wedges, and then these are my handbags currently, and my little mini bags, and another handbag. So hopefully you guys can see that. This is like my accessories wall, which I think this is my favorite part of the whole project. So yeah, I feel so good in here. I feel like there's so much more space. It's so much more functional. I know where everything is, and I don't have to like sift through clothes that I haven't worn in the last 7 years because it's all like current, recent stuff. And I know that it is. So I absolutely love my new closet, you guys. Like I said, I might add a few more things, but right now I think it's pretty darn good. And the floor, look at the floor. The floor is so clear. Nothing's on the floor really, except my shoes, how it's supposed to be. So yeah, this is the most recent remake of my closet, guys. How did I do? Let me know down below in the comments what you think. All right, you guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, I enjoyed making this video for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these videos. All right, y'all, until next week, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Be blessed and happy sewing.